I got late. Sure is waking up. Good morning and welcome to another week. I don't know why I said I don't know why I said it like that. But yeah, welcome to another week. Heading over to the Mini Nandi Akayama Betta climb on the fixie with Madhu, who's behind me. Easy. Cocaine, bro.
Best bondas ever.
And we've cleared it out again. Used to be there.
Now it's here, no more stock. Still have it.
Where are we sitting though? We'll sit there.
Steps.
Yeah. So cute. Good morning, welcome back. I don't know if I've said welcome back before, but yeah, welcome back again. We're doing our first TMC group ride. It's a curfew, so it's not ideal, but yeah, just a couple of us showed up. I think just 3-4 of us remain. Nonetheless, super nice route. I'm gonna put it up on the link down below. So if any of you all want to try it from Bangalore, more than welcome. Yeah, it's got a mix of everything like winds, climbs, descents, gravel, you name it. Smother behind, and almost come to the end of the ride. Top and I'm home. Well, I haven't really done a lot of indoor cycling before. I mean, on video. But yeah, I just swing my legs. I have a run test tomorrow, and yeah, I think I'm gonna. So I think the plan is basically, so I'm using Trainer Road, and I plan on increasing my 20-minute power over the next 4 weeks, 4 to 5 weeks, and I'm gonna document this over the next couple of vlogs. You know, mix of indoor-outdoor vlogs. Videos, yeah, and tomorrow's an FTP test, which you'll probably see in next Sunday's video. Yeah, this video is a little small, not too much content. We had a couple of things planned this week, which basically got pushed to the next week, which is why that content is missing. And you're gonna see it in next week's video, because it's happening next week. Flash just loves to get into the zone when I'm training indoors. Super nice. I hope you can hear me, and see you next Sunday.